Now let's see what happens at the boiling point. At the boiling point, the temperature of a pure substance stays constant as the liquid is being heated until all the liquid changes into gas. We took that in the heating curve. So when there was a heating curve, the temperature keeps rising until the point that the liquid is being changed into a gas. So at this point, what happens? There is no increase in the temperature because the heat that's given to the liquid does not increase the temperature. It causes the particles of the liquid to be far from each other, to be broken from each other, change from the liquid into the gas. So this is what happens at the boiling point. The particles of the liquid changes into a particle of gas by breaking the bonds of them. So all the heat that's given does not cause the temperature change. The temperature becomes fixed at this point. This is the boiling point. Only the temperature given causes, only the heat given causes the breaking of the particles from each other. So we need to define what is the molar heat of vaporization. The molar heat of vaporization, this is the definition, is the minimum energy required to change 1 mole of a substance from liquid to gas at the same temperature. So I have a certain substance, and I want to change this substance from liquid into gas at same temperature. But how much you are going to change? You are going to change a kilogram, a gram. You are going to change 1 mole. So 1 mole of liquid is going to change into 1 mole of gas at this temperature. And the amount of heat that I will need it to do that is called the molar heat of vaporization. So the definition, in order to make it easy, can be divided into 3 parts. Molar means for 1 mole, heat required to vaporize or to change from liquid into gas. So molar heat of vaporization. The general equation for the molar heat of vaporization, the substance in the form of a liquid takes in heat, and we know takes in heat, so the heat will be written in the equation with the reactants to form the same substance in the form of gas, and that's 1 mole only. So let's see some examples. What is the molar heat of vaporization of certain substance? For neon, for example, you will need 1.7 kilojoules to change 1 mole of the neon from the liquid form into the gaseous form. This is a small amount of heat, but if you want to do this for sodium chloride, for example, there is a lot of intermolecular forces between the particles, so you need 170. So you need 170 kilojoules in order to change 1 mole of sodium chloride from the liquid form into the gaseous form. That's why the boiling point is very high, 1465.